Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today's video is my day off, guys. So I'll make some things that I know my husband missed to eat this. So today's video is I'm gonna bake some cake, guys. So I'll do it this morning now so that I'll finish this, and then husband is still sleeping at this time. Time check is 10:53 in the morning. So I'll bake for him. Then when he woke up, I serve. Alright, so I'll do it now. My kilay is here. It's dark. Under one is light. Not too bad. So it's a lovely weather today, guys. But when I woke up in the morning, it's fog. It's really fog. I cannot see outside. It's really fog. So I start now to do some cake. So you know what, guys? You know when I'm not uploading the videos here, so I'm busy. So today is whole weeks is off, and the next week is my back to work again. So that's our life here in the UK. So I'm happy for that. And let's do that. Bake some cake. So I think that again to buy my, what do you call that? My flour. So instead of my flour, guys, I use this one, red velvet again, because I don't have flour. So this is easy things to do. Right? So I'll get some water. Alright, so first thing first, guys, I show you my beautiful another orchids. So don't mind my background because I do the laundry and I put it out, guys. So I like the weather today. So you see that. This is my new orchids, the white color, and this is the other one, guys. So don't mind my background is, you know, a bit messy there because I wash. You see, that's my color. That's the red one. That's my uniform, right? So this is the beautiful flower as well. So yesterday, guys, it's my off. Also, it's Monday, so it's just Wednesday. So I'll put the orchids. It's nice. Looks right. So much better. This one and looks tidy. So now I'll do the baking. So first thing first, I have left 3 eggs, guys, so it's enough for the cake. So I'll do it now. Husband's still in bed. He's always tired. Okay. So just only 3 eggs left. And tomorrow we're going to the shop. We buy another one. And I got 3 eggs here. So let's on to hide the camera, guys. Okay. So I need to switch on the oven. So my husband is there. Just woke up. My husband just woke up. So I'll put this now, guys. Alright. And then a bit oil. And 1 cup of water. And then let's do the twisting. So I put it here, guys, instead of cupcake. Much better I use this. So I put it in here. Put na natin sa oven, guys, within 28 minutes. 28 minutes and 160 degree. So we will wait after, guys. I show you when it's done. So the kitchen is messy. So okay, so I need to wash out my hands. Okay? Try your throat. So I show you guys my strawberry outside, and then see my eyebrow is light and dark. I show you outside, guys. Hi guys, I'm outside. I show you my strawberry. Look, my strawberry is here. It's really massive. It's really massive, guys. Look, there's a lot of. This is the big one. Look. It's pretty. And there's the back naman, guys. It's really beautiful. My flower. I amaze it. So really good. That's pretty. So this is, I don't know what's the gumamela one. And guys, this is watermelon. Watermelon siya, guys. I don't know how big pot, that's why I put it here. But soon I'll change this. So this is the leaves of capsicum. This is the capsicum leaves, guys. Pag magtinola ako ng chicken, maglalatay ako nito. Charot. So all my collections is maybe the collections for me soon. Only this, the orchids, and the rest I'm not sure if they are really good. I know the orchids is really long-lasting flowers, and I cannot assure this one and the other one is they will grow longer. I'm not sure that. So just I assure you, this is my really heart big. My heart big is my orchid. So for now, guys, I wait for the cake. Alright, so today is my off and I am enjoying myself. I am enjoying myself with my husband. So I know he missed me. So my husband is really supportive when it comes to I go to work. Every time I prepared my things. No, I'm not preparing my food, my lunch, or my breakfast whatsoever. Husband do that. That's his routine when I go to work. And he's really supportive, guys. So I'm just thankful with that. And I'm so lucky also as well. So it's just woke up. I'm just waiting with that to finish my cake. And I'll show you. And I give to him for breakfast. We will see if he can wait that. Alright, so see you later. So husband is already wake up and he says he don't want to wait the cake. So later, I'll give to him for his lunch or snacks time. So I'll make now his breakfast. He just want coffee and biscuits. So my cake, guys, is nearly done. So I check it now. Next time, darling, I buy some pot holder. Okay, I forgot yesterday. Yeah, it's warm. Let's see. Oh, it's Yummers. Check the. Oh, not yet. So not yet, guys. Still have not yet. Alright. So the cake is already done, guys. So few minutes I put out. Alright, so we will see. I show you after. Hi guys, the cake is already done. So I'll give to husband, guys. Mainit siya, guys, sobra. So hindi pa siya bumababa. So I'll give to husband later, okay? Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, see you next vlog.